The Blackview A96 is a new smartphone with a design and a camera layout that looks like that of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's a new budget smartphone from Blackview and it comes in two beautiful colors, namely Provence Purple and Obsidian Black. The device is also quite slim. It has a thickness of 8.6 millimeters and with just a weight of 193.9 grams. The device is going to be comfortable to hold and carry. The phone has a 6.5-inch IPS LCD punch hole display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which promises a visually appealing experience, making scrolling and multimedia consumption smooth and vibrant. The phone runs on the latest Android 13 with Blackview's custom skin on top. The device is also powered by the MediaTek Helio G99, which is still the best 4G processor released by MediaTek till date. It's a 6nm octa-core processor that can handle everyday tasks, including gaming. The phone is available in two RAM options, including 8GB and 12GB RAM. The two variants has the same 256GB internal storage. Now in the camera department, the device features a triple rear camera setup. They include a 48MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide and a 2MP macro. The hole punch on the phone's display houses a 16MP front camera for selfies and video calls. The battery capacity of this phone is 4380 mAh, which is not massive but should be able to provide a decent battery life. The device also supports 18 watts fast charging for quick top-ups. So other features of this phone includes NFC, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, face unlock, dual SIM support, GPS, OTG, and so on. So these are the top features of the Blackview A96. It's going to be released maybe this month or next month, but what I know is that it's coming very soon and it's going to be available for a very cheap price. I'd like to hear your thoughts about this new smartphone from Blackview, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.